Finding a truly ethical elephant experience in Thailand is difficult. Many places offer ethical but still have rides like this. We ultimately landed on a stay at Chi Lai Orchid. Due to the dangers of trafficking and poaching, their focus is trying to create the best captive situation possible for these elephants. They also work with vulnerable populations at risk for human trafficking. They provide education and job training opportunities. The elephants are not forced into engagement, as you can see here where he moves away. Each elephant has its own caretaker where they learn to build trust through positive reinforcement only. The situation isn't perfect, but we appreciate their effort to protect these beautiful creatures. Send this video to your elephant-loving friends.